Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change task keyboard layout to traditional on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make task keyboard layout traditional, you can click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Personalization on left pane. Now scroll down and click on taskbar. Again scroll down. By default, task keyboard icon will appear when no keyboard attached. Just click on the drop down and select always. And look, now task keyboard is appeared on taskbar. Close settings. Now click on task keyboard icon and you will find a settings icon on upper left corner and then click on keyboard layout. Default is selected. Here you will find a traditional. Just click on traditional. Look, task keyboard has been changed to traditional keyboard. You will find delete, backspace, enter, shift, alter, control, same as traditional keyboard. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.